just issued an SVR.
Central Texas.
Yeah, SVR.
Central Standard Time.
An SVR.
At 5:14 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ballinger Lake, or near Norton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and $half hail. Source, radar indicated.
Let's go.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Oh my God, so many.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and
Yeah.
severe thunderstorm will be near Ballinger and Hansel around 5:20 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Oh my God, they reported to. Guys, we got rotation right there.
Temperatures around 5:40 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Guys, we have rotation right there. That's rotation. Oh my God.
Other locations
We literally have rotation.
thunderstorm include Ballinger Lake.
We literally got rotation right there. They reported a funnel cloud.
On the lowest floor of a building.
Bro, we literally have rotation. Dude.
Here is the sun.
Dude, we got rotation. Oh my God.
Thunderstorm watch 31 in a second to 10 p.m. Central Standard Time.
There's another rotation right there.
Partly cloudy.
And another rotation.
Chance of showers
Bro,
with a
what
slight
the
chance
heck?
of thunderstorms.